Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I will be installing the BRCOVAN metal motorcycle fork stem mount with a 17mm ball on top. I had purchased this from Amazon, cost about 20 bucks. I will put a link to the video in the description of this video. I will be installing this on my 2007 GSX-R 1000 Super Street Bike. And I will be attaching this Garmin bracket to my Garmin, and then I will be inserting this BRCOVAN metal motorcycle stem mount into the stem tube that is on the triple tree clamp on my motorcycle. Now right now my GPS is mounted to a Mob Armor phone mount that is magnetically attached to a washer that is double stick tape to the triple tree. It's been on there for about 5 years, hasn't fallen off yet, just a matter of time. I did attach a tether to it, so if it did fall off it would be caught by the tether. So with all that said, let me show you what's in the package and then I'll show you how to mount it. So inside the package you get the stem mount with a small sleeve. It also comes with a larger sleeve. The small sleeve will fit a 12mm to 18.5mm tube, fork stem tube. Now the fork stem tube has to be smooth. If there's a lip, you cannot use this. And then you also get the larger tube, the larger sleeve, which is for a 18.5 to a 25.4 stem tube. So I will not be needing this one, but I will save it. So okay, so you get the stem, you get the stem mount, you get a wrench because you will need to remove the ball, and inside the ball, inside here, you will insert this hex key to expand the sleeve by turning it. Now, when you install this, you got to make sure that the screw on here is all the way inside, because it expands really quick. So if there's any expansion before you try to put it into, at least on my bike, it won't fit. So you got to make sure that it's all the way withdrawn and collapsed on itself. So that's it for the parts. Piece of cake. Not much to it. Oh, they do come with, let me see. Inside this package, there's extra O-rings for the small sleeve and extra ones for the large sleeve, just in case they happen to break or get dried out. So let me go ahead and move this, and I'll go ahead and show you how to mount it. So let me go ahead and take this off first. Go ahead and unplug it. Let me get this tether off. Damn, I really got it mounted on there pretty good. All right, that's it. So this is the one that I have on here now. This is a Mob Armor phone mount, GPS mount. You can put whatever you want in here as long as it fits. And with this ball mount, you can use this on any phone mount or GPS mount that will accept a 17mm ball. This ball is coated with a TPU, with a thermal polyurethane. I believe I wrote it down. Hang on a second. So this ball is coated with a thermoplastic polyurethane. So it should be, they say it's anti-slip, so when it's on here, the GPS should stay totally perfect. It's not going to move around. So let's go ahead and start the install. So here's my fork stem tube, and here is my old mount. This is stuck with some double stick tape, and it's pretty strong. Let me get it off real quick. I'll get that off later. So anyway, you're going to take your stem mount and slip it right inside. And then just tighten the screw. We'll give it a pretty good, make it snug. Then you take your ball mount, or your ball, and the washer. Go ahead and screw it in there. Take the supplied wrench and tighten the ball to the mount. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my Garmin mount. See, it's on there really good. That's it. Of course, I got to plug it in. And that's it. Oh, that's on there so much better now. See, I didn't bring my key down, but it'll probably be like that. So I just want to show you how strong this ball mount is. You can't, it's even hard to pull it off of the mount. And it's on there really good. Well, that's it, folks. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but that 17mm ball mount you can attach to any phone mount or GPS mount that will accept a 17mm ball. They do have a 1-inch ball for larger phone mounts and GPS mounts. I think the other Garmin mount takes a 22mm ball. This one's only a 17, so you have to find out if you have a newer GPS, one of the larger ones, it might take a larger ball. So you will not be able to use this BRCOVAN mount if your Garmin mount or phone mount uses a larger ball. So you have to check that out to make sure you get the right one. It's been a few days since I installed the BRCOVAN steering stem mount to my motorcycle. There is one issue, and I will show you what that is. First, I'll tell you. So the ball on the BRCOVAN steering stem mount is 17mm. They put a TPU coating on it, which is a thermoplastic polymer. Now, I'm guessing, which, I mean, it kind of makes sense, that polymer increases the ball mount slightly, which means that the Garmin adapter will slip onto it, but it won't snap in place like it normally would on a Garmin ball mount. Now, BRCOVAN does sell their own line of accessories for it, so I'm sure those work fine, but being that this is an aftermarket adapter that I'm putting on to their ball mount, it stays on there, but then when you go to swivel it, it falls off. So I have an easy fix for that. Now, I am sure if you were using a BRCOVAN accessory that attaches to that ball, you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. But because this is an aftermarket part that is attaching to that ball, it does not fit the way that it's supposed to. I took some JB plastic weld, mixed it up, put it on top of the ball, and then I also put some of this JB plastic weld in the cup on the back side of this Garmin mount. I then took, let's see, I took a rubber mallet, pounded on there really good to make sure it was fully seated onto that BRCOVAN ball. I then reattached the GPS, positioned it exactly how I want it to be, and carefully took the GPS off. I put some more of that JB plastic weld inside of here. I kind of let it flow through a little bit and wiped off some of it that dripped around the back side of it, and made sure I wiped off any JB plastic weld that was on here. I let it fully here for 3 days, and now it is not going anywhere. Now the only problem is now it cannot be adjusted ever again, because pretty much this entire piece now is welded together and it is not going to come off no matter what you do. So that's the fix to hold the Garmin adapter in place. Well, that's it. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel so I can buy stuff like this. There should be some bloopers, so stay for those. I'm not too sure if I'm going to put them. I think there might be quite a few because it took me like 17 takes for the first scene. I'm inside the garage. It's already 100 degrees outside and it feels pretty humid in here, so I'm sweating pretty bad. So that's it. I will see you in the next video, and safe driving and don't get lost. So that is why I have a GPS. I'm terrible with directions. Anyway, have a good day. Bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video I will be installing, you can't see it from the package, but I will be installing a metal motorcycle fork stem mount. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video I will be Damn it. Take two. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video I will be installing a metal motorcycle stem tube mount base. How do I fucking word that? Shit. Okay, I gotta get this. Damn it. I'm already on my 15th take for the first scene, so we got to get this. Shit. It has a 17mm ball on it, and I will be installing this on my triple tree clamp in the. This is supposed to be a simple one. Okay, next take, whatever mistakes I make are going to stay in it. So here we go. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.